The snake thought it could eat the eagle's chicks, but in the end, it became the eagle's meal instead. Snakes are natural enemies of many birds. They often search for nests to raid. Their goal is to eat baby birds or eggs. These snakes are incredibly sneaky. They quietly hide near nests and wait. When the parent birds leave to find food, the snakes strike. They slither into the nest and attack the helpless chicks or eggs. For the young birds, snakes are a living nightmare. Fragile and defenseless, they can't fight back. Many end up as easy prey for the snake. However, once a snake is caught by an adult bird, the tables turn. The parent bird holds nothing but hatred for snakes. The moment it spots a snake near the nest, it attacks with fury. At best, the snake risks losing its sight from sharp beak strikes. At worst, it doesn't survive the assault. For eagles, a snake is more than an enemy, it's food.